In this video, we will look at the OCR tab in WordMorpher. OCR means optical character recognition. The OCR tab is used when you have scanned PDF documents or image-based PDF files where the text cannot be selected, copied, or searched. A normal PDF may already contain real text, but a scanned PDF is often just a picture of a page. In that case, WordMorpher can use OCR to recognize the text from the image. First, open the OCR tab. You can add PDF files individually, add all PDF files from a folder, or drag and drop PDF files directly into the list. If you are adding files from a folder, you can enable Include Subfolders to also include PDF files from folders inside the selected folder. You can also add selected changed PDF files from the Watch Files tab. After the PDF files are added, choose the output folder. This is where WordMorpher will save the OCR results. Next, choose the OCR language. The selected language should match the language used in the scanned documents. This improves OCR accuracy. If needed, you can also use a custom Tesseract language override. The OCR tab supports several output actions. Searchable PDF creates a new PDF where the recognized text is added as a searchable text layer. Extract text creates a TXT file with the recognized text. Export CSV and export JSON save the OCR results in structured formats. Convert to DOCX creates a Word document from the recognized text. Create page snapshots saves page images from the PDF. The OCR behavior options control how the text recognition is performed. The OCR mode lets you select faster or more precise work. Change OCR profile if you get poor results and want to improve them. Higher DPI values for rendering slow down the conversion, but they take longer. 300 DPI means 300 dots per inch, which is smooth enough that the human eye doesn't detect square steps in the text. Force OCR means that WordMorpher will run OCR even if the PDF already contains some text. Skip existing text means that WordMorpher can avoid OCR on pages where a usable text layer already exists. The preprocessing options can improve OCR quality. DOCX can help straighten scanned pages. Grayscale converts pages to grayscale. Threshold or black and white processing can improve contrast. WordMorpher can also show OCR quality warnings. If confidence is low, the log can warn you that the recognized text should be checked carefully. You can also use low confidence filtering to skip pages where the result is not reliable enough. The output and preview section controls how OCR results are saved and displayed. Save as copy creates new output files and helps protect existing files. Override existing can replace older output files, so use it only when you are sure. You can set custom suffixes for searchable PDF, text, and DOCX output files. This makes OCR results easier to recognize. Split text by page creates separate text files for individual pages. Split DOCX by page creates separate Word documents for individual pages. The preview options let you show an image preview, page thumbnails, and basic OCR preview information before processing. These settings help you control the output format and check the document before running OCR. The Watch and Automation section lets WordMorpher monitor a folder for OCR work. Choose the OCR Watch folder. Enable Include Subfolders if you also want to monitor folders inside it. Autorun OCR can automatically process new or changed PDF files. Use Start Watching to begin monitoring. The Watch status shows whether monitoring is active. The Queue status shows whether files are waiting for OCR processing. Use Cancel Run if you need to stop the current OCR process. You can also export selected page images by entering page numbers and clicking Export Selected Images. This section is useful when scanned PDFs are regularly added to the same folder and you want WordMorpher to process them more automatically. When everything is ready, choose the desired output actions and click the OCR processing button. WordMorpher will process the selected PDF files. The progress bar shows the current progress. The log area shows which files were processed, which outputs were created, and whether any warnings or errors occurred. OCR depends on Tesseract OCR. If Tesseract is not installed, WordMorpher will notify you. You can install it from the Download Accessories section in the Settings menu. OCR quality depends on the quality of the scanned document. Clear scans with good contrast usually give better results. Blurred pages, low resolution, skewed pages, shadows, handwriting, stamps, and complex layouts can reduce accuracy. DOCX output is text-focused. It is useful for extracting and editing recognized text, but it may not perfectly preserve the original PDF layout. After OCR is finished, always review the output files. This is especially important for legal, medical, regulatory, technical, financial, or customer-facing documents. You could export the log as TXT, CSV, or PDF if you want to keep a record of the OCR operation. Use Clear to remove the current log before starting a new OCR process. The OCR tab is useful when you need to make scanned PDFs searchable, extract text from scans, convert scanned documents to Word, or prepare old paper-based documents for digital workflows. In the next video, we will look at licensing, editions, and feature tiers in WordMorpher.